All right, so this is question 11. Now, question 11 says Theo wants to find out how fast diffusion can happen. So when it's asking how fast, it's usually talking about the time it takes. So how fast is the time? So if question says how fast something is, you want to measure the time. So the question continues. He has a petri dish, and that is a petri dish. So that's a petri dish, and that is a petri dish. And it has a clear gel in it. The petri dish has a diameter of 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters is here, 10 centimeters. And he places a 1 centimeter cube of red colored gel. So these are the red colored the gel here and here. Those are red cubes of the red colored gel in the center of the clear gel. Now the red color will spread out. So can you see the arrows? So the arrows means that spreading out, and he wants to investigate how fast diffusion happens. Now part B, what is the independent variable? So the independent variable is the one that you're changing. And the dependent variable is the one that you're measuring. So, what are you changing? So in this case, you're changing the cube, isn't it? So you're changing the cube because you want to measure how fast the red colored gel is diffusing. So this is the red colored gel. That is the one that you're changing. And what are you measuring? Now the question says how fast. So if you're asking about the time, what is the measurement of time? Now it could be seconds or minutes. So the independent variable is the one that you're changing, and in this case it is the cube. So the cube is the one that you're changing, and the thing that you're measuring is the time. So how fast, this is the dependent variable, and your units will be in seconds or minutes. And what is the units for the independent variable? So the measurement for the independent variable, the one that you're changing, is, because you're using the cube, the 10 centimeters is the diameter of the petri dish, but you are measuring the, well, what you're changing, sorry, you're changing the cube. And what's the units for a cube? Centimeter cubed. So the units for the volume of a cube is centimeters cubed. Okay, so part C is suggest the appropriate units to measure each variable. So what's the answer now?